Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change gender on Meetup. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Meetup application. Tap on profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on pencil icon. Now onto this My Account section, tap on Account Info. Now onto this Gender section, tap on the arrow on the right side. Select the gender. Tap on Update. And that is how you can easily change gender on Meetup. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.